Hello dear students, good morning. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the chapter quadratic equations and expressions. In this video, we are going to discuss them. First of all, we have to know that what will be the use of quadratic equations, where we are going to use that. See that the theory of equations, of quadratic equations, is an important concept in mathematics. Even though it is a topic of algebra and it acts a tool in the chapter like trigonometry and geometry, and we will discuss the quadratic expressions and quadratic equations, nature of different quadratic equations, of signs of changes of quadratic equations and expressions, and also the extreme values of quadratic equations. Extreme values means the maximum and minimum values of quadratic expressions we are going to discuss in this class. See, first of all, we have to know about the definition of quadratic expression. What is the definition of quadratic expression? Now, are you able to see that? Are you able to listen? Okay. Now we are going to discuss about what is quadratic expression. An expression, an expression of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0 and a comma b comma c are real or complex numbers, is called quadratic expression. An expression of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real or complex numbers, is called a quadratic expression. For example, three x square minus 5x plus 7, x square minus x into 1 minus 2i minus I. One other example, x square plus 5x plus 6. These are the examples for quadratic expression. After that, definition of zero of quadratic expression. Quadratic expression. Zero of now come to here. What is the zero of quadratic expression? A complex number alpha is zero of a complex number alpha is zero of the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. A complex number alpha is 0 of the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. That means this alpha is satisfying the given expression, then only this value equal to 0. That means in other words we can say that is if alpha is 0 of quadratic expression 0 of quadratic expression f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then f of alpha equal to 0. That means wherever x is there, alpha we have to replace that value only a alpha square plus b alpha plus c. Then f of alpha equal to 0. For example, minus 2 is 0 of, one example we will take x square plus 5x plus 6. How it will be minus 2 is 0 of this quadratic expression x square plus 5x plus 6. See that this quadratic expression I am assuming that f of x square plus 5x plus 6. If f of minus 2 equal to 0, then minus 2 is called quadratic, the root of, the 0 of quadratic expression. So now I am calculating f of minus 2, which is equal to minus 2 whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6, which is equal to 4 minus 10 plus 6. 10 minus 10, which is equal to 0. That is f of minus 2 equal to 0. That implies minus 2 is 0 of quadratic expression x square plus 5x plus 6. Like this you have to prove that 0 of quadratic expression.